Hi, in this lab activity, we will explore a smart factory. As you can see on the screen, this factory has three locations. The headquarters is in the center of the city. The warehouse is near the seaport, and the power station is near uh, a green field which have many strong wind to provide the power using wind power. The warehouse and the power station is connected to the headquarters using optical cable and send the data to the headquarters for analyzing and support for the decisions. Now let's examine the overview of the headquarters. You can see this is an entrance to the factory. On the entrance to the factory, you can see the model molds, the raw materials, the clay preparation, the casting red clay, casting white clay, and the assembly. And below is the store, the glaze paint, the laboratory, biscuit decoration and glazing, and other office. And you can see there are a lot of smart devices. For example, you can see in the motors and mount, the temperature, the smart fan, the humidity monitor, the humidifier, the thermostat, and all the smart devices are connected to the main switch in IT room. And on the store, the glaze paint, the laboratory and other rooms, the smart device are connected to the IE 2000. This is an industry as a net switch. So why we use industry as a net switch? Because in the factory environment is a harass environment with hot condition. The environment is hot and dusty and noisy. So we should use an industry as a net switch that can adapt to that harass environment. It's similar to other room. The smart device such as rocker switch, push button, light, running are connected to an MCU. An MCU is a microcontroller that can be programmed to react to the detailed environment condition. And the MCU is connected wirelessly to the switch, and the switch, the wireless switch, and the wireless switch is connected to the industry switch, and from the industry switch connected to the backbone core switch to the main switch, and the main switch is connected to the router. The router had two connections to other side of the factory. Next, we will examine the warehouse. In the warehouse, we have many cars with the RFID card and are read by RFID reader. And in the warehouse, there are siren forklift car and other smart device, and all the devices are connected to the main switch, the core switch, and the core switch is connected to the router, and this router connected to the headquarters. And Now we examine the power station. The this wind turbine, it generates the power uh, for the factory, and the data is collected through the router and sent back to the headquarters to monitor. The power line is transmit using the high voltage transmission transformer and the transmission lines to consumer. So that is all about the smart factory. In the next video, we will examine the detail of each side of this factory.